Okay guys, we're here at my friend's Mike's, helping him get ready for homestead, and the hauler needs a service. Okay, Mike runs a Ford dually. Don't ask me what engine it is, how many miles it's got, I don't know. Anyway, what this video is about is my oil filter wrench. Here, hold on. Oh, this hurts. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Alright, hold on. Where you at? Yeah. So, this filter wrench is the only one I've had for about 30 years. And I believe it's a Lyle or Leslie, depending on how you want to pronounce it. It's just like an old seatbelt, but it's got a 1/2-inch drive on it. And this thing will fit any round filter. I use this to change fuel filters on big trucks. Okay. And yes, it might be a little fiddle farty. Okay, but the thing is, instead of having a drawer of specialty different sizes, you just use this one wrench. Okay, and like I said, it's a 1/2-inch drive, just plain ratchet. If you need to, you can put an extension on it, and I've done that before. So we're gonna put this on right here. You gotta put a little tension on it, wrap her up. All right, get the drain pan under it, and just come on. But if you've ever looked at a mechanic's toolbox, some of them will have an entire drawer with specialty filter wrenches. This is the only one I've ever owned. Works great. Oh, one other thing. This thing is old enough. Made in USA. All right. Come on. Anyway, we're gonna let that drain for a little while. Just wanted to show you my wrench. Talk to y'all later.